Hello everybody and good morning. Yes, it is the last leg. Leaving Nashville this morning. It's 6:48 on the road. Yep, I'm getting a Scottish breakfast this morning. I finally left the Nashville metro area here. I'm eastbound on Interstate 40. Heading home. Just into Knoxville now, and this is the exit for the 150 kilowatt supercharger. And then up ahead here is the version 3 supercharger about 4 or 5 miles down the road. Just going through Knoxville here on Interstate 40. This is where the version 3 supercharger is. It's located behind here. And you get off here at North Shore Drive, go around the corner, and that's where the second Tesla supercharger version 3 is located. Just continuing through Knoxville here now. There you go. Yep, now I got to put in diesel exhaust fluid. For those of you who do not know, it is essentially urea, cow pee, that's mixed in the exhaust manifold to further try to reduce the emissions out of diesel. I got 461 miles. All right, my range now is 437, averaging 13.3. I think it'll improve. All right, let's get out of here. Last leg. We're heading for the gorge between Tennessee and North Carolina. Looks a little rainy. Uh-oh, I think it's raining. Looky here, it's raining. Makes this drive even more difficult. Finally out of the gorge here. About 20 some miles to 26. Just transitioned to Interstate 26, headed east, which really runs north and south here, but nevertheless, getting close, 45 miles. I'm just about home. It's been an awesome trip. And if we look at the trip meter here, you can see that the miles from Wyoming when I left was 1,784.7 plus 3 or 4. I don't know what it is. If I look at the entire trip, it's 4,451 miles driven. Now what's interesting, it says we use 338.1, now 0.2 gallons of fuel, and I averaged of 13.2. So if you do that math, you'll find this trip was extremely expensive here in the truck. Anyway, I am just about home. It's been a good trip. I appreciate all you guys sticking with me here during the travels of hauling a trailer and back. It really does open your eyes exactly how much it actually costs using a diesel or a fossil fuel vehicle to pull a trailer. My Cybertruck is due next year, and I will do something very similar in the Cybertruck, and I think we'll see a huge differential. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.